Alright, so you got hiccups. How do you get rid of hiccups? I got hiccups. I got hiccups right now. So, glass of water. Okay. Ooh, take said glass of water and you drink it upside down over the sink. Okay. So you just take that and you pour it off the top of your mouth. Okay. And here we go. Okay. Finish the That's horrible. Camera. Grainy shit. I don't know why I went to that. Must have hit something. Anywho. This is really bizarro to get into focus. There's the glass of water, half full, okay? And I gulped it over the sink, as you saw, the lovely spatula. Who doesn't want to cook with that spatula? That's a spatula. Yeah, I am no longer hiccuping. It's done. It's over. Drink it off the top of my mouth. That's secure. Do you hear me hiccuping? I can barely say hiccuping. I ain't hiccuping.